Hello everyone, welcome to our Toyota Info channel. Here is the good news for the Toyota Tacoma fans. Before the official presentation, Toyota showed us a few more teasers of the Tacoma 2024 model year. Today, with the new pictures, they confirmed a Trailhunter grade for the upcoming pickup truck. A few months ago, Toyota already showed us the same grade for Toyota Tundra 2023. The Trailhunter trucks will come straight from the factory, equipped to meet the needs of overlanding enthusiasts. Specific suspension setup, skid plates, roof rack, bumpers, lighting, refrigerator, roof flap tent and more, all engineered specifically for overlanding applications. Unfortunately, the official release date for the new Tacoma 2024 hasn't been announced. Let's wait for the new teasers or the official debut. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.